Hello everyone, we're Group15. Our title is Research on the Choice of Transportation Methods by College Students and the Influencing Factors. My research objective is to deeply explore the significant differences in travel mode choice among college students with various background characteristics, and to understand the underlying reasons and decision-making logic behind these differences. These background characteristics include gender, grade level, living expenses, and campus location. To answer this question, I choose one-on-one interviews as my research method. Each interview takes about 10 to 15 minutes, using cards to guide participants to describe their real decision-making process. Why I choose interview? Because my goal is not just to count how many people take taxis or buses. My goal is to explain why these differences exist. Interview can capture a person's real thinking process. For example, someone may take a taxi may not because they're rich, but because they have important interview that day and cannot afford to be late or sweaty. Also, interviews helps me to discover unexpected variables. So why not other methods? Questionnaire can not only measure variables I already thought of, they cannot ask why. Natural observation cannot identify different groups, and it cannot give any reason for choices. Experimental creates virtual choice in a lab, but is really different from real life. So for this objective, I think interview is the best instrument.
Hello everyone, my name is Johnson. My research objective is to examine how UN student transport mode choices differ across campus areas and time periods. For this time, I chose a structured observation. I think this tool is suitable because transport choices can be observed directly in the campus setting. For example, I can observe UN Central International House, shuttle bus stores, faculty and transits, parking areas, and main working routes. Structured observation can record the time, location, transport mode, and number of students using each mode. This can help us compare student movement during morning class time, lunch period, and evening return time. A survey may not fully show what students actually do during campus hours. ML interview usually takes more time with fewer participants. I also did not choose a focus group because it mainly collect opinions. Document analysis can describe UN transport facility, but it cannot show student movement during campus hours. So a structured observation is the most suitable instrument for this objective. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chen Qiutong. I will introduce the third research objective and the research tool selected for this part. The third research objective is identify the main factors influencing student transport mood choices and to understand their general travel preference. In other words, this part focuses on why students choose certain transport modes, such as walking, bus, inhaling, private car, motorcycle, or bicycle. For this objective, the chosen research tool is a questionnaire survey. This tool is suitable because it can collect data for a large number of UM students in a short time. Through questionnaires, we can ask students about important factors such as travel cost, convenience, travel time, safety, and environmental awareness. These factors can then be compared across different student groups. Another advantage of questionnaires is that the result can be easily converted into percentage, charts, and tables, which makes the analysis cleaner and more organized. Other tools are less suitable for this objective. Interviews can prevent detailed answers, but the sample size is really small. Observation can record actual behavior, but it cannot explain student-person reasons. Focus groups may be influenced by dominant members. Therefore, a questionnaire is the most appropriate tool for this research objective.
Hello everyone, my name is Pan Mengjie. My research objective is to explore how environmental awareness influences transportation mode choices among UM students. For this objective, the chosen research instrument is focus group discussion. This instrument is suitable because environmental awareness is closely related to students' attitudes, opinions, and personal experiences, which are difficult to fully understand through fixed survey questions alone. Through group discussion, students can explain why they choose certain transportation methods and share their views on sustainable transportation and environmental responsibility. The interaction between participants may also help generate different perspectives and deeper discussion. Other research instruments were considered but not selected yet. Questionnaires may limit students' responses to a preset answers and cannot fully capture their opinions. Structured observation can only record behavior but cannot explain motivations or environmental attitudes. Individual interviews are also useful, but they take more time and provide less interaction compared to focus group discussions. Therefore, focus group discussion is considered the most suitable instrument for this research objective. That's all. Thank you.